Good afternoon. I'm Tim Baroody, again reporting to you from City Hall and the city of Fredericksburg. Happy to be joined today by Chuck Johnston, our planning director, and Chief Mike Jones. Chief Mike Jones has been promoted to chief. We're happy he's here in this elevated role. We'll ask Chuck Johnston to update on planning and building services. We are open for business, and Chuck will stress that. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Chuck Johnston. I'm the Planning and Building Director, Community Planning and Building Department, where our goal is to plan a well-built community and to build a hopefully intelligently planned community. I can't believe I said that seriously with the picture of George Washington with a hatchet on my head, but I want to thank all the staff who are working very hard in the Planning and Building Department. As many of you know, we are at half staff. That half staff are in the offices, but we're providing full service. Any applications that you want to make from a planning and building standpoint can be done online. It can be done over the telephone. Our access via computer is published on the city website. Planning at fredericksburgva.gov is our general access point. The planning number is 372-1179, 372-1179. For building, 372-1180, 372-1180. We are doing inspections. We have a lot of commercial projects underway. We are doing residential inspections. Before we do inspections, though, we ask you whether anyone in your household has traveled recently or is exhibiting any signs of illness associated with the COVID virus, or if anyone's under isolation. That's for our safety, for your safety. Please be aware that if you have something to be inspected, you don't have to have it inspected immediately. The state code allows us 6 months to do inspections. So if you want to schedule it at a later date, when hopefully we're past this situation, please consider doing so. It would be helpful for us as well as for you. The most important thing I want to leave you with is April 1st is Census Day. I hope everyone has received in the mail their requests to go online and fill out census. This is a very important thing. It's probably one of the most important things that we can do as citizens, to let everyone know where we live, because based on where we live determines who we vote for in city elections, state elections, federal elections, how monies are allocated. It's a vital, vital piece of information that is safe and secure. I urge everyone, while you now have the time to do it, find that information that was mailed to you and respond back. I think that's all the main issues I wanted to talk about. If anyone has any questions, give us a call at those phone numbers or email us. We're glad to be working with you. Thank you.
Thank you, Chuck. Again, we're coming to you to try to give you the latest and most up-to-date information that we have available to try to keep you protected and limit your exposure to the virus known as COVID-19. The statistics as of noon today, in the United States, there are 60,653 confirmed cases of COVID-19. That's up almost 20,000, so the virus is continuing to increase. We've also had a total of 827 deaths in the United States. That goes up as well, so we have not reached the top of the curve yet. In Virginia, 5,370 people have been tested, and we're now at 391, almost 400 positive cases. That's up over 100 from yesterday as testing increases. 59 people are hospitalized, and unfortunately, the death toll has increased to 9. In our immediate area, positive cases have also increased. They're up to 13 in the total area, and Fredericksburg has experienced their first positive case. We were notified by the health district this morning of a positive city resident's case. Stafford has 9 cases and Spotsylvania has 3 cases. Again, as testing becomes more prevalent and as we do more of it, I expect those numbers to increase, and you should see those numbers increasing for the immediate future. The city continues to provide full services, again with the reduced footprint, and essential services continue on: police, fire, EMS, trash service, water and wastewater treatment. For most of us, Our way of life has changed dramatically in the last week to 10 days, and it appears that will remain the case for weeks, if not months to come. Many are anxious and nervous and very concerned about the uncertainty with their health, the health of their loved ones and family, their income, and everyday things that we take for granted. Many will be stressed and need some assistance. If you're having difficulties and you're employed, please check with your employer and see if you have availability to an employee assistance program that may be able to help you. If you've recently become unemployed or have issues, the Rappahannock Area Community Services Board maintains an emergency therapist available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. For Fredericksburg residents, that number is 540-373-6876. Again, the reminder, please practice good personal hygiene like washing your hands often with soap and water, covering your cough or sneeze, and staying home and away from others when you are sick. This goes a long way to protect yourself and others. Remember, if you have symptoms consistent with flu or COVID-19 and they're getting worse, do not hesitate to call 911. Social distancing, a minimum of 6 feet, is appreciated, and I'm seeing lots of people in the public starting to practice that. We know by data and we know from the medical professionals in the field that this process works and will help to flatten the curve. Again, you can always reach us at www.fredericksburgva.gov. Thank you.